Alright, what we have here, folks, a 2009 Jayco fifth wheel. It's a super light, so it's Towable with a 1500. Walk in, got two new updated chairs. They're not new, but they're after we bought it. Alright, there's a fold-out couch, turns into a bed. Mini fridge that we probably take out, won't come with it. Couch also does that. TV that goes right there, I think is a 48 inch, is at our house, we'll bring it. Also comes with stuff for the tanks. We bought a whole bunch of it because we used to camp a lot. That's also stuff for the tanks, and that's stuff for the tanks. Owner's manual and all the receipts for everything we ever bought, the air conditioning, any upgrades we ever did. We had a whole stack. We kept everything neat, and then a binder. All right, those are pull the moisture out of the air. Extra AC filters for the AC, which was replaced in 2003. Refrigerator was replaced, I think 2023, along with the air conditioner, 2023. Touchscreen radio, which was something we added. Propane stove. We also put the tile in there that helps distribute the heat evenly. We can take those out, they look a little old, but they help that stove bake a lot better, like cooking cakes and stuff like that. There's a look. Second video here. There's the carpet. That's a washable rug. Got the original carpet in there. Carpet's 16 years old, it can be replaced. That right there is an outdoor rug for the awning, which is an electric awning. There's your tank minder. Your water heater is electric and gas. You have the water pump for when you're camping and you're not hooked up to things. Your on and slide out, and your light switches. All LEDs and for the lights all the way through, so they don't build up heat, and they're extra bright. Same thing all the way through. This is a room. That mattress is an upgraded mattress. I'm sure you're going to want your own. We're thinking about taking this out, putting it in our house, and buying another mattress in here for whoever buys it. So it may be a new mattress if you come check it out. TV for the room, smart TV. Same thing that would be in the living room, smart TV. It's bathroom, toilet. We added that cabinet, high-speed fan, LED lights in here also. With the wall switch for the light and the fan. Starting this one with the shower, all original appliances in there for a couple hangers that we added, and a soap tray for the wife. Let's see, mirror, of course, and sink in the bathroom. Alright, you also have storage under the bed, which goes in there with two assist struts, lifts up. We put a light under there. That's extra storage. In floor, that's for the heater. That's better days. But the roof is ducted with the air conditioner. Air conditioner vents up top, the heater vents are on the floor. Plenty of storage around the bed. Have that on both sides. Storage along the top, storage behind the bed. These kind of cabinets on both sides. Also have storage here for clothes. And also have a rooftop cover, so if you're sleeping, this light is above the bed, so it gives you some shade sleeping in during the day. It also opens, all of them open for vented fresh air, and is screened. You have 1, 2, 3 of those in here, one in the bathroom. Cabinets, pantry for food. We put lights in all of them. Lights in all the cabinets. Refrigerator, nice and new, clean. It's not brand new, but it's newish. 110 volt. Hot water heater. Everything works. That is your converter or inverter. Converts the 110 to 12 volt. Microwave works. Alright, fan. That's about it. Alright, start back on the Super Slide again. We had tinted it, but the tint needs to be redone. It pulls off easy. It's static cling, not glue. So all of it will pull off. Alright, for the Super Slide, it comes with jacks that go on each side that supports the whole thing. It comes with the wheel chocks. And underneath here you have extra storage. All of this stuff comes with it. It's 2 outdoor chairs. Over there in the back corner you see that's a mosquito net that goes all the way around the awning and makes it a screened in porch. Comes with a clean water hose. Has light here, your ducting. Alright, you have outdoor shower here. That's your sewer cleaner. Not your sewer cleaner, but your black tank cleaner. You hook up the water hose there and flush it. Black tank connections down here, along with your gray water, black water. Both tanks are here, both same size. You drain them both out the one hose. Alright, the slide out has those super strong beams support slide out. They've been greased, and that is where the jack stabilizers go and support it while you're camping. Comes with 2 propane tanks. I don't know the status of them. They may have some in there, may not. Alright, comes with 2 propane tanks, one on each side for balance. They're 5-gallon tanks, I think. Alright, you got your leveling bubbles here and here, left and right. Electronic jack stands. Those are electric up and down. Here you got more storage up front. Camper comes with all of this. Those are in the back are your slide out supports. That is your sewer tank hose. Those are extra wood for you know, leveling, all that stuff. Always keep extra wood when camping. This is a Kingpin holder support. It supports the Kingpin up front. Alright, that's the screen. Over there you got backup screen for the screen door. Those are manual jack raisers up and down. And fresh water hose. Alright, camper can use the cleaning in the front. This pressure wash is pretty easy. Cleaning. Here's our phone number. Contact us. Alright, comes with the 5th wheel hitch if you need it. If you don't, I can sell it separately, but that's a Reese slide hitch. Been very good, easy to use, easy to hook up. I'll take it off my truck like that because it's pretty heavy, so I use the electronic jack to jack it up. Over here, alright, we got lights running down the awning there, so at night they're really bright. You put the awning out, you can see everything underneath. Here's your other propane tank, and here's the other side of your storage all the way through. And your ducting that goes to your bedroom. 2 lights under here, plenty of storage. There's some awning cleaner, supports, water filter, some extra hookups. This is 50 amp to 30 amp adapter. That there is a 30 amp tester. Those are stabilizing pads. Alright, here you got what's in there? Oh, batteries. That's your house batteries. It's 2 12-volt house batteries in there, heavy duty. Here's the back of your hot water heater. Hot water heater is currently drained. Drain it over winter, keep it from busting open. This area here is the area behind your refrigerator for easy access. And more outdoor plugs and connections for TV and stuff. All the lights work. Everything works on this camper. 16 years old. Probably can use a little maintenance here and there, like here in this area. We kept it caulked, but can use a little maintenance here and there. The awning does need a gas strut for the other end, and it can use a good cleaning. Like I said, the tent static clean, it peels right off. That helps keep it nice and cool in there during the winter, summer.